My name is Ann Hennessy. I am Production Planner and Administration here with Kilsaran Brownstown. I am the first point of contact between the design team and the manufacturing team here in the plant. My role would be quite a busy role in terms of I would take the information from the design team, check all of the information and import it into our ERP system. We would then import the files into our EBOS system and then issue it to the manufacturing team here in Kilsaran. I would say definitely I work with a fantastic bunch of people. It is a help in terms of me achieving my role, but also I'm mindful of the fact that my role has a knock-on effect for other members of the company here. We are a great team. I know it is probably a predominantly male industry, but I don't think that comes into our day-to-day basis here. It doesn't really make any difference. Probably partly because of the team that I work with. So I suppose, we're all out to help one another. So it doesn't really, it doesn't feature. I think it's fantastic to see more women within the construction industry, and I think maybe as time goes on, there will be more roles that, females can get involved in, and I think the investment that Kilsaran make in their employees, they want you to succeed. So it doesn't, it's irrelevant, I suppose. Once you can do your job, they believe in you, and that's the main thing.